love coffee.
Me too.
Right, usually when you go to a cafe, you have this really nice, like, full taste.
Over here, we have a solution for that and a very easy way of making drip coffee. So here, we have a drip coffee set made by Cafeier.
Right, that actually the same quality as you would get at a coffee shop.
And I will just show you how we can make this coffee at home. And once you open these up, inside,
Oh,
smell it. Oh, I love that smell.
it's really good.
And we'll just open this right here. And carefully you can see all of the
Wow.
grinds inside. Freshly grinded up. And using the flaps, that will keep it steady.
That's so smart and so convenient. Wow.
All we have to do to make our coffee is just pour some hot water over the beans.
You get the smell, you get, I love this. I love this like atmosphere, like making the coffee, smelling it. It's done? Wow, that was so easy though. There are a lot of different flavors. So here we have beans from South America, then here Africa, and Asia.
And for those that cannot drink caffeine, there is also a decaf version available right here.
Oh, perfect. Then should we try one of each category?
Oh yeah. First, I really want to try this African Ethiopian.
Then I'll go for the one from South America.
Cheers!
Cheers!
It definitely tastes like what I'm used to back from home. It has this sort of fruity aftertaste that you'll never get anywhere else.
Ooh, this coffee is called Walk in the Deep Night. Heavy, it's very smooth, it has a very full taste. It has some bitter notes, but also a lot of sweetness. Okay, this time I will try this one from Guatemala. It's called Volcano's Gift.
On this one, I'm gonna try the decaf one because I love caffeine and I'm curious what it'll taste like without it. I thought it would have something missing, but it really doesn't. It just tastes like my regular morning cup of coffee.
Really? I really like this. It has a smoky flavor to it. Then I have something for you. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! So this is a selection of the most popular flavors.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
I know, right?
More Indonesia, Ethiopia.
It doesn't even fit into our hands. What? Enjoy.
Thank you.